In this video, we'll look into how we can delete a point of a shape and a line segment from a shape in Affinity. So to remove the point or line, we have to use the node tool. But before that, since we have the shape on the screen, let's convert the shape to a curve. So in order to convert the shape to a curve, right-click on the shape and then navigate to convert to curves. Click on convert to curves. Now the shape has been converted to curves successfully. As soon as we have converted the shape to curves, you might have noticed that the node tool is automatically being selected, and we are also able to see different individual points of the shape. To remove a particular point from a shape, all we can do is click on the point and then press the delete or backspace key to delete that particular point. And you might see after doing this that the line will automatically reconnect with the other neighboring points. We can do this to other points in the shape similarly by selecting the point and then pressing the delete key. Next, in order to remove the line segment from a shape, all we have to do is hold down the Control key on the Mac and press on the line segment that you want to remove by clicking onto that line segment. And you can see now that the line segment from the shape is being deleted. We can do this to other line segments that we want to delete. So press on the Control key and then by holding down the Control key, click on the other line segment, and this is how you can delete a line segment from a shape. So if you find this video helpful, please press the like button, and to get more tips and tricks on Affinity, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next video.